Hello everyone and welcome back to this tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to share a link on Canva so that you can easily collaborate with others or share your design quickly. So let's get started. First, open Canva on your desktop or mobile device and log in to your account. Once you are inside, select the design that you want to share. This can be a presentation, a poster, a social media post, or any other type of project you've been working on. After your design is open, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled Share. Click on it. And a new sharing menu will appear. In this menu, Canva gives you a few different sharing options. If you want to copy the link, look for the section that says Copy Link. By default, Canva usually sets the link to private, which means only you can access it. To change this, you need to adjust the permission. Click on the drop-down menu next to Only You Can Access or Restricted. Here you can choose how you want others to interact with your design. You can select who has the link. And click on the drop-down menu next to Edit. Then tap Can Edit. Once you've selected the permission you prefer, click Copy Link. Now, the link is copied to your clipboard. You can paste this link anywhere you like, whether it's in an email, a chat, or directly into social media. If you're using Canva on a mobile app, the process is very similar. And that's it. Now you know how to share a link on Canva. This simple feature makes it very easy to collaborate with teammates, clients, or friends without needing to send large files back and forth. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.